Welcome to my channel, Learn Mathematics with Jasmeen.
A factor of a number divides the given number without any remainder. आइए एक एग्जाम्पल की मदद से जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि किसी नंबर के फैक्टर्स किस तरह से फाइंड किए जाते हैं. Find the factors of 8. Let us know how we can write 8 as a product of two numbers. 8 can be written as 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. So we get 4 pairs of numbers that gives 8 as their product. Is there any other combination you can think of? No, there is not any. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि इन फैक्टर्स से अगर आप 8 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर 0 होगा. If you divide 1 by 8, you will get 8 as quotient. If you divide 2 by 8, you will get 4 as quotient. If you divide 4 by 8, you will get 2 as quotient. If you divide 8 by 8, you will get 1 as quotient. In all these cases, the remainder is 0. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8.